Assalamualaikum guys, hello guys, it's me Rohaib Abro from Pakistan. Today I'm gonna tell you how you can monetize your channels, pages, websites, how you can have thousands of referrals by paying nothing, by saving of time, how you can earn money very easily. So let's get started. Today I'm here to represent a new social networking platform which shares its advertising revenue with all its users and providing amazing features that are not available in any other social networking platform. On YouTube, on Facebook, we need thousands of subscribers, followers in order to get started earning money. We need thousands of referrals in order to meet our requirements, but on this platform, we no need to make money by having thousands of subscribers, followers. We can make money from the very first day of joining the cash reward program. It's very simple. What you need to do, you just need to sign up on Webtalk. Link is given to you in the description box. Jump on Webtalk, complete your universal CV, put your referral link, YouTube link, or any other site that you wanna present, that you wanna promote. Just put that on your universal CV of Webtalk profile. People will come on your page. They will see what you are doing over there. There are over 6 million people who are currently using Webtalk. Here is an opportunity for you to be first on Webtalk. We can make money up to $8,000. That's incredible. Everybody is able to earn $8,000 per month. Payment is being paid by Stripe or Payoneer. In America, Stripe is available, but in my country, Stripe is not, so I use Payoneer. I withdraw via Payoneer. If you have any question, put into comment box. I would like to reply you. I would like to make you clear. It's a new social networking platform. Only 6 million people are there, so be first to promote yourself. You don't need to pay anyone for that. Even don't need to pay me. You are able to promote yourself there for free. You don't need to have permission from any admin. You can post your links on that platform. People will come to join. You can have thousands of referrals from there. You can do 2 works at a time. Keep promoting, keep making money without investment. You don't need to invest anything. That's totally free. On Webtalk, everybody has an opportunity to do the work that we do on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram. Webtalk is 3-in-1 social networking platform which shares 50% of its advertising revenue. Link is given to you in the description box. Jump on Webtalk. When I see you there, I will help you to use it. Everybody trust on Webtalk because it's an American website. It will be at the place of Facebook because of its features, which are much better than Facebook. We do post, we create posts on Facebook. All the income goes to Webtalk, goes through Facebook, but on Webtalk, 50% goes to users, 50% goes to the CEO of Webtalk RJ. And in any subscription, in any upgrade, people get 50% and Webtalk get 50%. That 50% Webtalk invest in its platform. This is the time to be on Webtalk. This is the time to invite people on Webtalk. Later, after the official presentation in mobile application, if you ask someone to be on Webtalk, oh sorry, I'm already on Webtalk. After that, it will be difficult for you to get your requirements from there. But now, this is the time to bright your future. I'm looking for the comments. I'm ambitious to reply your comments. On Facebook, we do comments. Hey, follow me on that platform. What's that? Just post on Webtalk. There are over 6 million people. They will see your post. They will definitely be on your platform. That's incredible. People are ambitious. In this group, I have seen that people post. They get referrals, but not enough. On Webtalk, you will have much opportunities that you are not having on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on Instagram. I hope you would be on this new generation platform. It pays you to be social. Okay, thank you so much for watching this live streaming. Bye bye for now. Thank you so much.